Another key word we can attach to our select statement is the where clause. The where clause allows us to extract records that meet a certain condition using the select statement. Say, for example, we wanted to select all the records in our database where the first name was Bob. We can do so by using the following SQL query. Notice that since our SQL query is wrapped in double quotes, we must enclose our search term in single quotes. Now, just save the file and refresh, and you'll see that it brings back one record because we only have one record in the database where the first name is Bob. Now let's try another example. Say we wanted to display the data in the first name column of the user with the ID 4. In this case, we can modify our SQL statement as follows. So select first name from table users where ID is equal to 4. And if we press refresh, it retrieved the record with the first name Bill, because Bill, that record has the ID 4. If we change that to 8, Jane has the ID 8.